Forgot your Samsung password? Let's get you back in, fast and frustration-free. First, if you set up Samsung SmartThings Find before you got locked out, you're in luck. Grab a computer or another phone and head to smartthingsfind.samsung.com. Sign in with the same Samsung account that's on your locked device. Next, select your device, hit unlock, and enter your Samsung account password again. If you see a success message, congratulations! Your phone is unlocked and your data's safe. But if the unlock option's missing or your phone isn't connected, don't worry. You can still unlock your phone by doing a factory reset. But remember, this will erase everything on your device. Here's how. Power off your phone. Then, press and hold the correct button combo for your model to enter recovery mode. Use the volume buttons to select Wipe Data Shot Factory Reset, then confirm with the power button. After reset, your password will be gone, and so will your data. Need help? Check Samsung's support site for more